Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today we are going to talk about XRP. It's AI-based forecast and regression-based analysis, dollar cost related model, and retirement related model. So let's get started with XRP's price analysis over the last. Right now, the price is at around 43 cents. Over the last 7 days, the price has declined by about 8%, which is in line with most of the cryptos and their performance over the last 7 days. You can see Bitcoin around 9% crash, uh, ETH dumping by about 12.5%, BNB 11%, Sol 4%, XRP at around 8 and 9%. Between that, still the market cap around $25 billion, volume well over $1.3 billion, circulating supply of XRP at around 55 billion. I think the total supply for XRP is at around 100 billion. So about 55% of the supply is in circulation. In terms of looking at the price versus market cap growth or the last key periods, when that is when the price was at 80 cents, the market cap, let's take a look at market cap over there, was at around 41 billion. Now the market cap is at around 24 billion, so about 50% decline. You can see that 50% decline is also evident in the price, so that means price is moving in line with market cap. That means not much token related dilution or inflation, although the 60% target that we have on the channel has not hit. If the circulating supply is higher than 60%, that bodes well, historically speaking. Again, none of the content that we discuss today is financial advice. This is just pure data science and machine learning related analysis. Right now, as we have the this is the website, the cryptoweekly.com. It holds all of the forecasts for major cryptos, as well as the retirement model for top 20 cryptos, as well as discerning if that crypto is overvalued, undervalued, and SMA and DCA related models, which are price and its relative position with respect to risk. The forecast that we had conducted back in early mid June, that is about 1 month ago, we had trained this AI model since price action November 2017. This is the weekly price action of XRP. When the price was at around 52 cents. Today the price is slightly under that, about 9 cents lower. Back then we had forecasted if the market were to have a slump, the XRP's price bottom could be somewhere between 33 cents and 44 cents, whereas we can see that the price is very close to this bottom prediction that we had made. This is using ARIMA, LSTM and XGBoost machine learning algorithm. Going forward, if the prices were to stabilize, the base case scenario for XRP, now that we are in July, second week of July, between 51 cents and 54 cents, that's the base case. If the market were to have a rally back up, the AI model forecasts that the price action could be between 85 cents and $1.57. That's the bull case scenario for XRP. If XRP were to have a crash, continued crash, the theoretical floor is between 23 cents, and now that we are in July, and 33 cents. So between 23 cents and 33 cents, that's the theoretical floor. The theoretical ceiling between 85 cents and $1.57, and the base case between 50 cents and 54 cents. That's what our AI model has suggested for XRP. In terms of XRP as a potential retirement related vehicle growing at, let's say, 15%, will take compound annual growth rate year over year. The price between now and 2040, if XRP were to achieve that 15% growth, price could be at around $4.30. Again, this is available for each year, just sharing 2040 as an example. And if the price were to go to $4.30 with a 15% compound annual growth over the next 15 years, this is again would be what Bitcoin achieved, 1/3 of what Bitcoin achieved over the last 13 years. In that scenario, without any staking or anything, XRP number of XRP tokens needed to be a crypto millionaire in XRP terms would be at 232k XRP tokens. Would fetch $1 million in 2040. Again, not financial advice. We are looking at longer term compound annual growth models. As you know, crypto is volatile. 1 year you might get 50-80% return. The other year there would be a crash of about 60-70%. So this is just normalizing the noise. And if on the other hand XRP were to grow 22% compound annual growth year over year, price in 2040 could be at around $10.40, in 2030 at $7. You see the exponentiality really taking off after 2035. That is again in 2036 price at $4, in 2035 over here the price at around $3.90, and 2034 $3. In this scenario, if the number of XRP token needed to be a millionaire would be less than 100,000 XRP token. Again, this is how these scenarios are calculated with compound annualized growth rate model. In terms of the number of or the price in the USD price today at 22% growth is at around 50,000 USD today, is around 1 million USD in 2040, assuming there is 22% growth in XRP and XRP stays around for the next 15 years. So that's the retirement related model. Whether to analyze the polynomial regression based analysis of XRP, the base function is the line in pink, which is the middle line over here. And the polynomial fair value per this regression analysis for XRP for its entire price action is at around 52 cents. Again, the price is 8 to 9 cents below the current below the fair value. The current price is 8 cents below, but it's between the fair value and 1 standard deviation bottom. And what tends to happen is if we get rid of the lower top two bands and bottom two bands, then you would see that the price action spends about 70% time within these 1 standard deviation bands. Right now the tendency for XRP is to, once it starts going down the fair value line, it tends to first visit the lower 1 standard deviation bottom, and then at times go slightly below it. Right now that price is at 34 cents. So the downside is at 34 cents as our AI model has also predicted, and the upside, this is regression based analysis, this is not AI based analysis. So the upside is at 1 standard deviation upside. You can see it reached that, went pretty close to reaching that in late 2023. At that point time, at this point of time, the 1 standard deviation peak is at around 80 cents. So those are the 1 standard deviation cases for XRP. Looking at XRP in terms of its simple moving average model, this is one of the new model on the website, analyzes the price and the difference between the price and the simple 20-week simple moving average for XRP, and assigns the risk level between 0 and 1 and color codes the price action with respect to the risk levels. Today the risk levels for XRP is at around 0.15 over here. That means 0.17 to be precise. That means it's in the second best time to dollar cost average per this SMA model. You can see if we were to toggle this out, most of the time XRP has spent in this point to between this 0.1 and 0.2 risk levels. Although you can see towards the bottom formation, the risk levels are between 0 and 0.1 with this purple color over here. So we are slightly you haven't visited these purple risk levels in a while, but if the price were to crash further, the next logical color or the risk level would be between 0 and 0.1. In terms of the dollar cost average related model, this is again the same color codes, but instead of using the difference between price and the simple week moving average, this takes into consideration the polynomial regression function. And in terms of the distance between the price and the polynomial regression functions, again the risk levels you can see are per this model is also 0.19 level over here, or 0.20 over here. It's still in this 0.1 and 0.2 regression band. but it's not as low as this time where the price was at at around 30 cents when during June of 2022. So that's the DCA based analysis for XRP's price. The key idea over here is DCAing at a lower risk level and DCAing out at a higher risk level. In terms of the news related to crypto market, now that we have covered XRP, these are some of the narratives and news related to crypto content over the last 24 hours. The overall sentiment is at around 50. The fear and greed index, if you look at coin market cap, is at around 35, 36 over here. So this is just a social sentiment based on crypto related content over the last 24 hours. So it's kind of a neutral sentiment at this point in time. Looking at the PeakValley composite risk, which is a normalized risk between 0 and 1 based on top 100 cryptos and their market cap and their risk performance on volatility, alpha, beta, risk adjusted returns and percent drawdown. So you can see that the risks are going significantly down. Essentially on May 20th, the risk was at around 0.3. Now the color code even has shifted and the risk level are at a 0.15. The key idea over here, if we were to DCA in a basket of cryptocurrency, and we're looking at a time or a time where the risks are substantially low and reward is significantly high, those color code we have color coded them between dark blue to dark red. The dark blue is when the risks are significantly low, like they were back in October, November of 2023 till that time period, starting about during the bear market, June, July of 2022, and again September, October, November, December of 2022 again. So that's the lowest risk regimen. The second best time to DCA per this analysis is the current risk level with between 0.1 and 0.2. We are in this risk regimen right now in July 2024. We haven't been here since a long time, till starting about February, starting about January, February of 2024. We have left this territory for 3 to 4 months. Now we are back in this zone. And last but not the least, I would leave with the difference between the price and the 20-week moving average for Bitcoin and Ether. Right now we can see that the SMA risk has fallen down from March 2024, middle of March 2024, at around 0.92 normalized risk between 0 and 1, and now Bitcoin's risk is beyond the beyond 0.2. This is the time when the band is the lowest risk between 0 and 0.2. What I envision is like the precipitous drop of risk following April-May 2021 rally. There should be a bottoming pattern either similar to this in January of 2022 or July of 2022, or between May, June, July of 2021. So that's when the bottoming of the market essentially occurs. So this is again not financial advice, but a good time to DCA historically speaking. So with this, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.